In the silence of a Maltese night, a secret begins its journey. A mother's trembling hands, forced to let go. Under shadows of the dead, a life is abandoned. But fate had other plans, hidden in the dark. In the humblest of places, love answered the call. A name is given, a destiny quietly written. From struggle to knowledge, a boy begins to rise. He stood where truth is tested and voices are heard. Until one face felt hauntingly familiar. A fight for justice, or something far more personal. A story unfolds, buried deep in time. And in that moment, everything became clear. Some journeys end where they first began. L-Avukat Tal Karozzin,